alphabets and a sentence with animals.
A is for alligator. Alligators are reptiles with long tails and sharp teeth. B is for bear. Bears love to eat fish, berries, and honey. They can swim and climb trees. C is for cow. The cow eats grass in the field. It gives us milk. It has a long tail. D is for duck. Ducks love to swim and splash in the water. They say quack, quack when they talk to each other. E is for elephant. Elephants are very large and have a long curvy trunk. F is for fox. The fox has a bushy tail and is known for being clever.
G is for giraffe. Giraffes have long necks and long legs. They are the tallest animals in the world. H is for horse. Horses love to eat hay, grass, and carrots, and they can run very fast. I is for iguana. The iguana is a lizard. It eats leaves and fruits. The iguana can change its colors. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish lives in the ocean. They have a soft, squishy body.
K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo have big, strong hind legs for hopping and jumping. L is for lion. Lions are the king of the jungle. They have sharp teeth and claws. M is for monkey. Monkeys have long tails and love to climb trees. N is for nightingale. The nightingale is a small bird with a beautiful voice.
O is for ostrich. The ostrich is a big bird that cannot fly, but it can run very fast.
P is for pig. Pigs are cute and pink. They love to play in the mud. Q is for quail. Quails are tiny birds that live on the ground. They like to eat seeds and insects. R is for rabbit. A rabbit has long ears and a fluffy tail. They hop and jump around the garden. S is for sheep. The sheep loves to eat green grass. Baby sheep are called lambs. T is for tiger. Tigers are strong and powerful animals. They have sharp teeth and claws. U is for unicorn. The unicorn has a magical horn on its head. V is for vulture. The vulture has a sharp beak and spots food from the sky. W is for warthog. The warthog is a wild pig with two pointy tusks on its face. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish are tiny and live in rivers. It is a special fish with transparent skin. Y is for yak. The yak is a big and furry animal that lives in the mountains. Z is for zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes on its body.
Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.